Frontline International presents a step-by-step guide of the EZ Oil Fresh Oil Dispensing System. Frontline makes dispensing fresh oil quick and easy. First, carefully open the fresh oil box. Cut open the spout and screw the connector to the spout. Once connected, lift the box to the dispenser. Align the box with the chute and slide down. You can use the weight of the box to help guide it down the chute. Finally, align the connector and pull down. You are ready to go. It is that easy. EZ Oil dispensers feature a large bulk reservoir. They hold 90 gallons, that is 675 pounds of fresh oil. Now, it is time to fill your fryer. The two ways you can fill your fryer include direct plumbed or a pump station with wand. First, let's look at direct plumbed. To start, open your fryer. Next, engage your fryer's fill button. The fresh oil is then pumped directly to your fryer. Soon after, fresh oil will begin to fill the vat. Let the vat continue to fill, making sure it fills to the sensor line, and you are ready to go. Now let's look at the pump station with wand. First, take the wand and point it into the vat. Turn the switch on. Then pull the trigger to begin dispensing fresh oil. Allow the vat to fill with fresh oil until it reaches the proper level. Once filled, turn the switch off, replace the wand, and your fryer is all set with fresh oil. Frontline makes fresh oil dispensing that easy.